In primetime news this evening, water woes. NWC workers take strike action. Government promises more discussions. Mounting questions on essential workers taking strike action. TVJ News explores this issue. And later, government to reconsider Venezuelan oil deal amidst global energy crisis.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, in what ways were you impacted by the island-wide disruption to the water service? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.